Hey everyone, Dale Cortez here. As a Florida resident and a University of Florida alumnus, I've watched our local communities thrive, but I also know how desperately families want to keep a stable roof over their heads without breaking the bank. But there's a massive roadblock. Thousands of everyday workers, like our paramedics, cashiers, and elementary school teachers, are getting priced out. The hard data exists, but it was trapped in massive, messy government spreadsheets where nobody could easily read it or take action. To change that, I built the Florida Housing Cost Burden Analysis Pipeline. Using Python and Pandas, I cleaned and blended 35 years of housing data from the UF Schimberg Center, focusing on my home area of Manatee County and its neighbors. I turned raw numbers into intuitive, interactive maps and heat maps that show exactly where and who housing stress hits hardest in all 67 counties in the state of Florida. Now, local planners and housing advocates can instantly see that renters in our area are hit twice as hard as homeowners, and exactly which neighborhoods need affordable investment most. Check out the interactive maps and the open source code linked below, and let's connect to build more data-driven tools for our communities.